This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 6 of the Space Marine Thunderfire Cannon tutorial. And before we get started with the modeling, I want to show you this video I found. It's called Thunderfire Cannon by Thunderfire Mac, and it has just great views of the cannon. It has the underside, it's got views at the back, with the little computer system, and I just haven't been able to find these on Google anywhere. So yeah, you're going to want to look at this video for closer reference pictures if you want. Alright, back to the modeling. We were working on this little video thing. So let's select this, go into Edge, select that edge, connect, give it 2 connections with a pinch of 8, and do the same with the other side. Okay, connect, select polygon, select both those, and extrude, and just extrude it until they're inside of that, just as a little stabilizer, I guess. Alright, select that, convert it to an editable poly, select this polygon here, inset it about 0.16, extrude it about 0.3, inset it again about 0.5, extrude by 0.3 again, and use the hinge from edge, pick hinge, select a hinge in the edge on the bottom, type in 90, and type in 5, and extrude, and then extrude it right before it hits the edge. Then you're going to want to inset and do an inset of 0, scale it outward a bit, and then extrude right down into the model there, so we can get like a little connection. Alright, edge, select that edge, and that edge, loop, and chamfer. Give them a small chamfer, about 0.02 is good. You can loop this one and do it as well. Alright. Next, we're going to select polygon, select this outer polygon here, and inset it with 0, or we'll just inset it, I guess, and scale it outward a bit. Alright, then select all these verts here and just drag them out just so they're outside of this little edge right here. Select the polygon and extrude about that far, so 1.45. Okay, inset it about 0.175, and then extrude back in about -0.783, and then we're going to want to do some chamfering, so select that edge, this edge, and this edge, loop, and chamfer, 0.02. Did it too many times. Cancel. Alright. Then we're going to want to create a sphere. Make sure auto grid's on. Just create one. Then use the align tool and align it. and just pop it in there. Okay, we'll just do it manually. So just drag it down a bit. Okay, increase the radius to about 0.843. Bring the segments down to about 16. Make the hemisphere 0.5. Actually, you can bring the segments up to about 20, I'd say. Alright, perspective, and just give it a gray color. Alright. Next, we're going to want to create a cylinder using AutoGrid. Try to do it in the back here. Okay. Just make a cylinder. Align with the sphere on the X, Y, and Z. Increase the radius until you can see it. Okay. Then drag it back. And increase the radius a bit more. So about 0.869 is good. Give it 20 sides. Convert it to an editable poly. Select the edge, loop. Okay, select polygon, control, select edge, chamfer, and give it a small chamfer of about 0.02. Assign it a gray color. Okay. Next, we're going to want to, let's see, select edge, this, and this. You can really do whichever edge you want up here, it doesn't matter. Connect twice, okay. Then select these two polygons you created in here. Extrude on the local normal, and just extrude it backwards, just to break up that section a bit, because it's a bit dull. Loop and chamfer. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Next, we're going to want to work on, let's see, let's start with the rivets. Make a box, just kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and then add a cylinder to it. Okay, and make them both gray. See, make the cylinder have 6 sides, and decrease the height. I have to move it down. Hold on. Alright, so make the radius about 0.84, and make the height about 0.25. Should be good. Convert to an editable poly. Select the edge, or select the polygon there. Control select the edges. Chamfer, and give it a very small chamfer of about 0.06, and then name that rivet. Okay, that'll be it for part 6. In part 7, I'll show you how to get the placement tool, which is used to place these, and we'll finish up with these. Alright?